Hello, I'm Vishwa Gulati and I welcome you all to Flipkart. Today we will be exploring the Hinwest Kitchen Ensemble's Kyra 60 chimney. This chimney packs in plenty of advanced and user-friendly features and is far better than just a regular chimney. To understand more about the product, let's dive down into its features. Now as a user, one of the most important features in a product like chimney is how well it complements the aesthetics of your kitchen. The chimney is a dominant product in our kitchens and has to blend in as well as create a visual delight. This chimney has a smart and compact design with a premium black finish which adds a dash of luxury to your kitchen. This chimney also comes with a high suction capacity of 1000 cubic meter per hour. Kyra has a futuristic design and advanced technology that helps keep your kitchen fresh, clean and smoke-free at all times. Another feature of this chimney which adds to your comfort is its ability to perform silently. Its low noise and great performance gives you the perfect cooking environment. Hinware Kyra 60 comes with easy to clean, highly efficient and lightweight aluminum cassette filter, which forces oil and other residues to settle inside, letting only the clean air move freely in between the filters. What this means for you is better performance, longer life and lesser hassle. This chimney is equipped with two LED lamps which illuminate the stove and help you cook better. The LED lamps consume very less power and will illuminate a larger area, thus making it easier to view your countertop. The Hinware Kyra is operated through a touch control panel that complements its futuristic design and makes it easy to operate. So friends, summing it all up, Hinware chimney keeps your kitchen smoke-free, clean, fresh and inviting at all times. The Kyra 60 helps you keep the environment clean, healthy for you and your family efficiently and without any hassle. And buying this on Flipkart is a deal that you cannot afford to miss because on Flipkart, you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo and a short brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family now. That's all from me and see you soon.